So we have a program in C language to find GCD of 3 numbers. So we already have a video of a GCD of 2 numbers. Fibonacci series, factorial, GCD, and all these type of notations you can do it even in using recursion. So programs without recursion and programs with recursion, you must have a clear idea what exactly is recursion and how it works. So if you have any problem with the thing, you just go to playlist and find a recursion concept in the playlist. And this program is GCD of 3 numbers using recursion. So look at the recursion logic, the function definition part, line number 2. The name of the function is GCD with 2 parameters A and B. If B is 0, return A, else return GCD of B comma A percentage B. If you take an example of 8 and 3, if A is 8 and B is 3, if B is 0, means if 3 is 0, then return A. Otherwise, return GCD of B comma A mod B. So if A is 8 and B is 3, so GCD of 3 comma A mod B, 8 mod 3 is 2. So you are going to find the GCD of 3 comma 2 now. So what recursion says, the function calls by itself. So again you are entering the same function with 3 2. So A is 3 and B is 2 now. As B is not 0, so return GCD of 2 comma 3 mod 2, that is 2 comma 1. You can put it on the paper. I just repeat everything. A is 8 and B is 3. We started with 8 and 3. As B is not 0, so GCD of 3 comma 8 mod 3. So 8 mod 3 is 2, so 3 comma 2. So GCD of 3 comma 2, the function is called. A function calls by itself is called recursion. So GCD of 3 comma 2 now. So we are entering with 3 and 2. 3 as A and 2 as B. As B is not 0, GCD of 2 comma 3 mod 2. 3 mod 2 is 1. Now the function call is GCD of 2 comma 1. You are entering again with 2 comma 1. So 2 is A and 1 is B. As B is not 0, GCD of 1 comma 2 mod 1. 2 mod 1 is 0. So 1 comma 0, GCD of 1 comma 0 now is the function call. So you are entering with 1 and 0, and B is 0, return A. Return A is 1. So GCD of 8 comma 3 is 1. This is the logic. So better you put it on the paper for clarity. Now we'll just enter into the main program. So we are working on 3 numbers, GCD of 3 numbers. Look at line number 14, your function call. Function once defined can be called any number of times. As you know, GCD of B comma C is your inner function call. So whatever the result of GCD of B comma C is a second parameter. Is a second parameter. GCD of A comma whatever the GCD of B comma C, you get it as second parameter. So we are finding the GCD of B comma C now, that is 2 numbers, and that again with A. The function is called twice here. So you must have the knowledge of actual parameters and formal parameters also, without, if you want to avoid any confusion. So like this, any program can be implemented using recursion.